We are Theatre.exe, and we are a discovery project that is looking into how we can add agency to in-person live performance with the aid of technology.
The goal of our project is to explore how to give audiences agency in theater by using technology. We hope to inspire industry professionals with the possibilities that we generate.
Hi, I'm Gab Cody.
I'm Sam Turek. I am an immersive creator and director.
I create, direct, and write immersive theater. My most recent piece was Daylighting the Stream on Governor's Island in New York. It's an environmentally minded, immersive piece that takes people from the ferry all the way through Governor's Island in New York City. And this winter, I was co-directing and co-writing a project called Tipping Point before the virus stopped everything.
I've been working on large-scale immersives since I first did Strata with Bricolage in 2012, and I've done several other large-scale projects with them since, including Dodo at the Carnegie Museums of Art and Natural History in 2017. My most recent large-scale immersive was Daylighting the Stream on Governor's Island in New York City.
We worked alongside project partners Sam Turek and Gab Cody to leverage their experience creating agency in a live in-person performance. Our initial process was to rapid prototype with various tech and then seek their feedback.
There's a good amount of miscommunication when it comes to the topic of interactive and immersive theater. There's many inconsistencies in the vocabulary that we found across academic research, marketing campaigns. Now let us hear from Sam and Gab on what agency means to them.
Agency in an immersive, if you go all the way down to one end of the spectrum, then it's a totally open sandbox where the participants can do or say or be whatever they want to be. One of the wonderful things about immersive experiences is that you confront the idea of, well, what does it mean for me to be myself? And one of the things that we strive to do as we create these immersive interactions is put the participant in a place where they must confront themselves.
In an immersive experience, I think the most important thing is the perception of agency. I think immersive experiences give us the unique opportunity to turn the participant into the protagonist. And therefore, to me, agency means that I, as the participant, feel that my behavior and actions impact my experience and what happens to me, what happens to the story, and how I move through the experience.
There are many different genres of theater that involve various methods of audience participation and increasing innovation in this area in recent years. The knowledge base also provides a nice bank for ETC students who look into interactive theater. The taxonomy was so that we are all on the same page when creating and communicating for our project.
After researching, we created prototypes to see if we could inspire our partners to use the technology we create in their professional work. Emote Me is our first interactive voting-based prototype wherein the guests work together to influence the emotion of the performer. Snapshot is an Android application built using Unity and AR Foundation SDK where guests use the camera of the mobile device to reveal hidden clues to solve a mystery set in a world.
Mid-semester, we made changes to our process to both learn from our experience and accommodate the restrictions due to the COVID-19 pandemic. We wanted to stay true to our original goal of studying agency in live performance. So we shifted to a theoretical approach and created design concepts on paper that we validated through discussion and collaboration with our project partners.
The resulting design concept is an interactive experience in which we adapted the Little Red Riding Hood fairy tale to use as a narrative building block that we could refer back to answer questions we had in regards to the world.
After deliberating on the experience with our advisors and instructors, we termed our design as a template, which could be used as reference for theater practitioners looking to combine technology and agency meaningfully into live performance.
We hope the template gives a sincere overview of the different interactions the guests could have in a live performance by using a variety of technology to facilitate meaningful agency.
It's been a wonderful journey that we've been on with the Theatre.exe group, exploring these ideas of using technology to enhance agency in immersive experiences. I was very inspired by all of the ideas that Theatre.exe was able to deliver. I have been talking with Gab about how the next time we create an immersive, we would love to put together a team just like the team that is Theatre.exe so that they can help us by thinking about technology from the jump, so that at the very beginning of the process we're already thinking about ways that technology can fold into our creative experience.
I think that this is a great group of creators, and that especially as we got moving through the middle to the end of the semester, they came up with a lot of great ideas that I see as starting places, points from which we can move into multiple iterations and explore with participants. And I'm inspired by their ideas, and what I really want to do is start to execute them and see what sort of agency they deliver to the participant, and see how we can integrate them holistically into the narrative.